It's a very, very historic moment today to be among you, the roaring captain of Indian team. Salute to you, Captain. So on this day, the particular day when India won, all of them took their phones to put a tweet, to put a message congratulating the Indian team. I also took the phone to my office and said, I want the captain here. It will be possible. Dream, determination, destination. You dream, the destination is here. I'm sure this is going to be the most inspiring day in the history of Satyabama. And as Bhavna clearly mentioned, after meeting the Honorable Prime Minister of the country and the Honorable President of the country, here she comes to meet all of you. That makes the day a very historic moment. But to make this day historic for her would definitely be her parents at this moment. A big applause to her parents, her coach, her teachers. It can be more when it comes to the teachers. Make it louder. And to the coach who was standing by her and telling, Kappu Mukkiyam Bigile. Cup is important. I'm telling cup is important in the language they know. Kappu Mukkiyam. So cup is ours, but I always say, if someone has achieved something, someone has stated the success, it is not their moment. It is a moment for generations to follow. People should follow their dream. They are going in a road in front of us which has no lights, no encouragement. Nobody stood by them. The 11 girls went there, paved the road for us, put the spotlight for us brighter so that the way for you is decorated by the great Indian team. At this moment, I think it would be possible by our captain. Captain is always very, very important because my father always calls me captain. Hello, captain, how are you? Because captain is the one who doesn't lead, because leadership is not that who is leading, who is one among them, motivating them, encouraging them. During the times they didn't have encouragement, surely the captain would have stand by them. Come on, India, we can do it. Can we tell our captain, come on, India? Come on, India. So when I say Jai Hind now, you should all repeat after me, and I request the captain to stand for a moment. Here stands in front of you
Rajni sir,
I mean, many people call, but
your top 3 calls that you'll always remember. Tell me. Anybody that really surprised you, or what they said particularly.
top 3 calls, I think first call which means a lot to me, that was, I definitely met him on the ground. He gave the trophy to us, Jay sir, because he's been our biggest support, because whenever we were having meetings or selection meetings, whenever I was meeting, he was always telling me, I want to really give cup to you, because, imagine how much he was, wanted this. So that day when he was there, I was, walking towards him. That was reminding me that, whenever I was going to the BCS office, he was always told me that, one day I really want to pass that cup to you whenever you guys win ICC trophy. So I think when he called, he didn't express too much, because he said, I don't know like how can I express, but I'm really happy. So I think that calls mean a lot to me.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that with us. We'll move on to the big final, the World Cup final. It was India versus South Africa. Top 3 moments of your career.
First one is when I got India jersey because I was dreaming that from from day one. So when I got a call from BCCI that I have been selected for the team, so I think that was the biggest moment in my life. And second one, the one we just seen on the screen, at 171, because somewhere I believe that also bring the change in our country. People started even believing in women's cricket, started dreaming that women can also bring the cup to the country. And the third one is this World Cup, because this World Cup, whatever we have dreamt about so many years, that finally we were able to achieve.
Thank you. Next question.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Danishri. So, who had the craziest reaction when you met them after the World Cup win?
The craziest reaction, I think my dad, he was so happy because he is also someone who is not, very expressive. But he was just holding me, lifting me, and I was like, he was so happy, and that I think for a daughter means a lot when her father is so happy. He's in the chair. I think that was something very special moment for me. I don't know like how to express that in words, but that was the biggest moment in my life.
Thank you, ma'am.
You didn't have to express it in words, Harman. Can we have that picture again? That's how a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old you would have jumped on him. And now as a World Cup winning captain, you still went and jumped on him like that. Because Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam, parents are the main reason we're so successful in life.
Yeah, I mean that's how he was taking to me the ground when I was young, and that's how I started dreaming for playing for my country. And I think that moment I actually felt I'm a little girl. He was taking to me the ground and feeding the ball to me. I think that was again reminded me the entire thing like how it started.
It was just beautiful. I mean, I'm very, very impressed with your dad's core strength, first of all, that he was just holding on to you